The Bridge is a totally new kind of lecture theatre. It has this online component that lets students who are accessing remotely interact the same way as students who are sitting here in the room, almost as if they're in the front row of your classroom. Even though the Bridge uses cutting-edge technology, it is actually so easy to use. All we need is the students' names and email addresses. One of the other benefits is that if we're bringing in guest lecturers, instead of having to bring them to Belfast, we can actually get them to remote in from wherever they are, which reduces our carbon footprints. The fantastic thing about the Bridge is that it's the best bits of the classroom and the best bits of online learning combined.
There are a range of really useful practical features that the system offers here at the Bridge. The ability for students to raise their hands and to push to talk as well is a really useful way to allow us to engage and interact with students at a distance too. The ability to use polls allows us to get an idea of real-time understanding of what we're trying to communicate to the students, and the chat functionality has been something that's been very useful for us. One of the biggest projects so far has been supporting our college located in the northeast of China, which is a really important strategic partnership for the faculty and for the university. We've used that to support those students' employability skills, so we've used that to actually provide training from Queen's here in Belfast to those students in as interactive a way as possible. I think for me, my favourite aspect of using the Bridge here is the ability for us to widen the amount of participation that we have within a range of activities. So it allows us to engage much more fully with people who are either 5 minutes down the road or on the other side of the planet.
The Bridge gives us an opportunity to bring together 40 or 50 students who may be on placement anywhere in the world, and so we're not just having an interaction between the student and the university, but the students on placement get to talk to each other. Bridge provides great accessibility for those students who may have caring responsibilities, may have disability, may not be able to make every session of their classes. The Bridge has enormous potential. We're very, very excited about bringing this into Queen's and really looking forward to everything that it will bring to us in the future.